Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to progress fast in Archero 2. Progressing quickly in Archero 2 is all about smart strategy, not just grinding levels. The deeper you go, the better gear and rewards you'll collect. But to speed things up, focus on upgrading wisely. Always prioritize your weapons and armor, especially epic or legendary gear, and make good use of the blacksmith to fuse stronger items. Stay consistent by completing daily and weekly tasks since those rewards add up more than you think. Don't forget to manage your energy efficiently. Keep it below the cap so it recharges and use quick cons for extra rewards. Joining a guild is another huge boost, giving your bonuses from boss fights and guild rewards. And of course, limited time events like Demon King Clash offer rare gear and materials, so never skip them. Ultimately, upgrading your gear, staying active, and participating in events are the keys to fast progression. And yes, if your budget allows, the shop can give you the quickest shortcut. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.